The following segment is sponsored by Chattanooga Area Chamber of Commerce. And I'm very pleased to welcome on the show today Rob Creswell with Creswell Richardson.
Yes.
And you guys been in business for a long time in Chattanooga.
A long time. 1970, Dad started the business.
1970. So you were born and raised in this business.
I was.
Yeah.
I was.
Where are you guys located?
So we're just off Amnicola on Appling Street.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. I pass it all the time. I know
So a few minutes away.
know exactly what you're talking about. So tell us what you guys do.
So we sell industrial wholesale widgets. So we sell mechanical, electrical, pneumatic. We have about 750 customers in the Southeast. When they break down, we fix them. So we do that, engineering, just sort of a one-stop shop for our manufacturing friends.
Yeah, and you guys do that in-house, right?
We do.
That's amazing. They're off of Appling Street. Okay.
Yep. $2 million in inventory, and then we do engineering. We build panels. We build panels for Navy battleships even.
Really?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
what are we looking at here, Rob?
So we do marking and coding equipment also in the Southeast. So all those packages at Walmart that says expire by or lot number, we sell the equipment and service, and then we do extrusion, which is adult Tinker Toys, but in the manufacturing world, they make machine equipment or stands or whatever. So we have a lot of different verticals that our customers utilize, and so
Rob, I'm looking at this video, and this is why I talk for a living because you're talented employees putting this stuff together. That's talent right there. How many do you employ?
We have 32,
Really?
and we have a branch in Knoxville, and a very talented, great team.
Yeah.
So,
Now you mentioned battleships. What exactly do you do with U.S. Navy battleships?
we build panels to control the equipment in some of the battleships.
I love that. What a great local business.
Yeah, pneumatics, which control robots. We build manifolds that do a lot of different things that help manufacturing. In the Southeast.
Yeah. And Rob, tell us how the Chamber of Commerce has helped you and your entire team.
Gosh, in a lot of different ways. We were the 2017 Small Business of the Year
I was
award.
reading about that.
Yeah. So that was great for recognition. When Volkswagen came to town, Volkswagen had a lot of questions of who can help us with what, and so they gave us 6 Jetta shells, and we made a simulation of the assembly line for Volkswagen so their applicants could go through that process and figure out if that's what they wanted to do and if Volkswagen wanted them. So they put us together and we built those simulations. But the Chamber over the years, if a new manufacturing plant needed something done, they would help them communicate with us and put us together so where we could help each other out. So
what a great partnership.
Yeah,
and obviously the networking is key. Through the chamber.
Yeah.
You know, seeing your logo and seeing Creswell Richardson.
Yes.
I've seen that all over town, haven't we? That logo and that name.
Yes. So we started Creswell Industrial Supply. Dad did in 1970. We acquired Richardson Electric in 2009, so it's Creswell Industrial and Richardson Electric, put two great names together, and so just built a great company.
It's neat, and seeing that video, you guys do a lot. Hey, nice getting to know you before and during
thanks
the
for
show.
having me.
You bet. For more information about this wonderful local business, here's where he's located. Here's the telephone number, mycreswell.com for more info. Still to come.